guys, I hope you're all well. As you've seen already from title, we're gonna be having another review video. I know you guys love those, you keep requesting for more reviews, so here it is, another no bullshit review. Alright, so this video we are reviewing this Makeup Revolution Lift and Define 5D Lash Extra Dimension Mascara, two-way fiber technology, ergonomic 5D brush, one swipe impact, instant lash lift. Oh my god, there's so many things on the packaging. Extreme extension mascara with hyaluronic hydration boost. 5-star length extreme extension effect. 5-star lift lashes to reach new heights. 5-star define super separation wide eye look. 5-star stretch out of this world impact, and 5-star volume mega boost for lashes. Makeup Revolution been hyping up about this mascara for what feels like forever. I've seen so many posts popping up on my Instagram feed about this mascara and like influencers raving about it, how good it is. I kind of don't trust those reviews, and I don't know if it's been, paid and they just say it's good because they got money to say it's good. Okay, let's open this up and see what we have. As I said, it's brand new. Haven't opened. Have no clue if it's any good or not. Oh, it has a sticker on here. Love the packaging. It's cute. But as I always say, it's not about the packaging, it's about the product. Ooh, Love it, the brush is not super thick, but I don't know if I'm a fan. Right, so I zoomed in the camera a bit so you guys can see better what I'm doing. Just a quick warning, if you've never seen me doing the mascara reviews, I have super heavy hand and hooded eyes, therefore is most likely I'm gonna mess up. I'm gonna get some mascara on my lid. I personally love the silicone brushes, and I spoke about it before, but this is like a bristle brush. This is more like a fiber brush, bristles rather than silicone brush. But I like that it's small and it's kind of tapered, so we're gonna see if it's any good or not. Let's do this. So far I can't complain because it catches every single lash. So far, impressed by the brush, although I thought I'm not gonna like it. Does it give me extra length? I don't know yet. We're gonna do another layer, so we're gonna see that. Okay, let's go with the second layer. I'm gonna use the mascara shield this time. Okay, I think that's a bit better. We can definitely see the difference between, like, what you guys think. I don't know if my lashes looks extra longer though. Like if you would compare before and after. Yeah, what do you guys think? Leave a comment down below, let me know. Okay, let's do this side. Let's do a little lash line and then I can clean up the top. But yeah, my lashes definitely looks longer. Not as long as I thought it's gonna be, because I was imagining like it's gonna go just you know what I mean. But then it's not a fiber mascara. I can't see any fiber on here. It's definitely not a fiber mascara. I can't see any fiber stuck on there, because fiber mascara usually gives this extra super length. It kind of stucks on your lashes, extending it, the fiber stucks on top of each other, but then there's no fiber in here, so it just kind of builds up on top of your lashes. Okay, let's do a little lash line. We're done. What do you guys think? I'll let you judge. Alright, so looking at the before and after, my lashes definitely looks longer and more defined. What else we promise in here? Extension wise, I don't think it's a right claim. I mean, that would be more for a fiber mascara in my opinion. Although we didn't lie about the length, about the stretch, volume. In a way, I think. Lift. I don't know about that. I'll let you judge that part. Hey guys, it's editing Ingrida here. So talking about this mascara, I forgot to mention quite a few things because I basically posted on my Instagram stories that I'm gonna film this review, this mascara review, and then I got DMs from you asking if I spoke about how it wears, if it bleeds or anything, and so on, if it's waterproof and so on. So here I am to answer those questions. So I wore this mascara all day yesterday. I filmed the video you're watching yesterday. It's the next day now. It's not waterproof. It doesn't state that it's waterproof anywhere on the packaging. It's not waterproof. It was super easy to remove. Even like this mascara by Revolution, I did the review, stretch it out. It doesn't say it's waterproof, although it was harder to remove. It felt like it's waterproof mascara when removing the makeup for some reason. This one, super easy. But saying that, it didn't like crumble, bleed, flake, or anything like this during the day. Like, I have super oily skin, so sometimes with mascaras, if it touches my hoods, because my eyes are so hooded, so sometimes it's touching, you know, the hoods during the day, so I'm getting like a dots because my hooded lids are oily as well. I know. And the lower lash line as well, when it's touching it, leaving the dots. This mascara didn't do that at all. It didn't leave dots, it didn't bleed, flake, or anything. It wore beautifully during the day, although it's not waterproof whatsoever. So humongous thumbs up for that. Okay, back to this video. Overall, it's a great product. It definitely made my lashes look longer. Surprisingly, I do love this brush, although it's not a silicone brush, but I think because it's not humongous and the bristles itself is not super long, that's why I do love this brush, because it catches every like short lash, making it look longer. Thumbs up from me, although I feel like it's slightly bit overhyped mascara. I was expecting something out of this world, I'm not gonna lie. Like, because it's been so hyped up, at least what I've seen, you know, over social media, scrolling up and down, like I've seen it everywhere and I was like, mind blowing, you know, I need to get my hands on it. So I had the highest standards. I thought, yeah. But other than that, great mascara, definitely recommend. Super affordable, drugstore mascara, cruelty free and vegan friendly. Thumbs up from me. If you tried this mascara, let me know in the comments down below if it's worked for you and if it's good or not, and what you think of it, and what's your favorite mascara. Yeah, in the comments down below, let me know. I would love to get my hands on it if it's cruelty free. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and you found this helpful. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more, and I shall see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching and bye. Have an amazing day guys. Ciao.